What's up, everybody? It's Dopeman420 here. You are on my gun again, going back bird hunting, and I don't know if it's gonna rain or not because it was just raining because those dark clouds. So some are going past too. But gun is loaded. You're on my gun, and I think I see a. Ooh, I don't know what's out there. I think it's a crow. But I'm by myself today because I didn't want any of the kids going with me. So, excuse me. I went hunting this morning. Bow hunting. Didn't see no deer. No nothing. So I was trying to see what is going on, but I don't know. If you guys get any raindrops, I'll look and probably find out. Can you guys see that? Where is it? He's out there. You guys can't see him. It's like a black blob. Maybe I could see what he is. It's a crow. It's a crow. Don't worry, it's a crow. But I hope it don't rain anymore. I don't have a sweatshirt on. I brought one, but because it's feeling nice out right now. Like super nice. Oh man, there's a lot of crows and birds back there. Oh, there's a bird right there. Right freaking there. Wish I would have got that on camera. Crap. They're here in this field. And it's starting to rain more. Will you stop? What the frick is wrong with you? It's not supposed to be raining. What the frick? You joke with me. Oh, that sunlight though. That sunlight. Oh, you guys. Ooh, it's so bright. Ooh. I don't know. You see this bush right here in front of me where I'm pointing the gun at on my phone? That is where that bird went. So I'm sitting here and wait a second. I'm flying in the sky. I want to shoot that one. It's probably not going to rain for long. It hasn't been raining at all. Like, for a long time. It hasn't rained. And now it's just sprinkling. There's a dark cloud over there. There's this one above us, which is not doing us any good right now. Which, I don't think there's no water on the camera lens. No, there's not. It's just on my screen, which is okay. Maybe I should put my case back on. I'm already out here. There's no point. Ooh, it's getting brighter out. Look at that shadow, though. I'm with all my camo on today. Last couple days, I just didn't want to put my camo on. Ooh, these birds on the ground there. Which I'm not gonna. They're gone. But I haven't put my camo on in a while. This morning I had it on, so I just put it on for today. See, I got my camo pants. I also got my camo shirt on. I got my camo hat. Bone collector. So, got camo on today. I don't know if we're going to be sitting in that spot or the spot way down there. There's barely any wind. And it's raining. It is sprinkling. So wait a second. Gotta put you guys down real quick. Come on, stand up. There she goes. I'm gonna tighten my back strap. Okay, here we go. Let's get it. I think we're gonna go sit. No, we're gonna sit right over here because I see birds all over the place over here. Usually, I'll get them in those trees over there, but I've been hunting in these bushes. Wowza. Okay. Grass is getting pretty wet. Oh, there's bees everywhere too. Why is that? I have no idea. Hear that? Birds. Come here, birdie. Shoot you. No big deal. Oh, there's apples on the apple tree. Still, which is pretty surprising. It's been really freaking cold lately. And they've been just plowing these fields with corn. I bet you any money there's deer like a son of a gun in here. Oh, yeah. Where are you going? I want my barrel smoking. That's surprising. Wait a second. You guys are going to be looking at the ground. Let me fix my camera again. I will be getting an actual camera. Like, no doubt about it. I will be getting another one. An actual one. I'm going to ask for my birthday to get one of those nice little ones. I don't want a super big one. But I do too. Like, I do and I don't, because it's harder to work with. Which I'll have to get stands for it. Which costs a lot more. Man, I feel like there's a deer laying right back there. Like, I can't tell. We're gonna go back to this path right here. And we're gonna sit down. Ooh, whoa. It dropped really far right there. But my gun is doing really well. I sighted it in really well. Me and my dad did. It's beautiful. It's called Glorious. Okay, I'm not. Actually, I think I am. I'm not sitting in that spot right there. If you guys can't see it, it's right there. Yeah, right there. Because last time I sat there, I fell backwards. So I'm gonna sit you guys right here for a second. You can wait. Wait a second. Let me get this balanced. Okay, you're in the grass. Get my chair already. Ooh. I'm just gonna sit right here. Right here, no big deal. Get it. It's the chair, don't worry. I did not shit my pants. Ship. You know how people say I just ship, like SHIPED, shipped my pants? That's exactly what I just did. I don't know why. It's retarded. Here, birds everywhere. Just don't know where. Stand up real quick. Give me my bag. They're in here. I hear them. Just can't see them. I hear them. Just can't see them. Come on, birdie, birdie, birdie. Get any money there in that freaking apple tree right there. Wait a second. I'll wait a few so when I can see one. There goes one. Nope, I didn't hit it. I'll lean you here. See if I can get this to stay. Sorry if it's shaky. And today I'm not really feeling good, so I still went hunting because why not take a chance? Whoa, tipping the chair. Wait a second. Yep, you guys are flipping. I just want to put the bag away. Let me put it away. So, I'll be making jerky today. Like, I wrote it down in my planner that I was making it. Turns out I'm not. Oh my god. It's so hard. Okay. Make sure the phone's still okay. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna lay you guys in the field right here. No worries, I'll be right back. And it's not gonna work there. And it'll work right there. Yep, right there. Stay. Okay, I'll be right back. And he fell over, didn't he? Are you guys kind of sideways? For me, you are. Wait a second, I gotta fix my phone. Just a bit. See, I fixed my stand a little bit yesterday. And it's just not giving me the opportunity today. Which I guess that would be good. Okay, we're leaving this area. I'm not gonna hand any birds anyways. Because they're all in this crap. This thick stuff. But I'm gonna go up to the house, show you my brother's, well, I'm gonna go to the barn foundation, show you my brother's 7-point that he's riding out and making a European mount out of it. And then we're gonna go up to the house and see my spike. I kinda have to hurry because I don't know when the video is gonna stop. It's not gonna stop anytime soon. So, just gonna hurry. There it is. Okay. So I showed you that one. And now I will be right up to the house in a second or two. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Right up at the house. Here's my Spike. He's pretty big. He's not huge, but I will be ending the video right now. So link in the no, wait a second. No. Subscribe if you haven't. Do all that jazz. If you haven't watched my other hunting video, do that before you watch this one. Well, when I update this one. No, upload, sorry. Okay. So, dope man out, and, what do I say again? Oh, yeah. All you guys, stay dope.